step on
No, the camera's not allowed to film black people.
Fuck you. Last time I checked, this ain't a racist show.
Yeah,
this is the awesomeness show.
Black
And
people
look
aren't
at
awesome.
this bad boy over here.
Boing, oing, 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 oing.
You don't know what the thrill is.
Okay, everyone, let's go. Let's just go. What?
Are you still filming?
Because we're using this in the video.
Well,
There's a subscribe button right there.
stay on short.
That's my titty. Let's go.
Show you something. This is a six-pack.
Fire truck. Fire truck. Action.
That shit one more time and fuck around and kill her. Cause I got the heart of a Pittsburgh Steeler. Black nigga draped in gold with a 9mm. Love money, love jail, love that penitentiary mail. Love the way these niggas smell. Keep coming back, can't you tell? Love to see my mama cry. Love to see my baby struggle. Love to see my woman juggle nuts. Cause she got the hustle. I don't give a fuck how my life go. Now I'm a slave man to this caveman without Geico. Everybody wanna call Michael a psycho, but he ain't never came through the hood with a rifle. Gunning niggas down cause they don't got the right clothes. Hit the wrong person cause they shoot just like hoes. First I was bloodthirsty, Mr. Controversy. Now I wanna beg for mercy, should've took my ass to work. Wanna shake that mentality.
I don't even care. Come on. Oh yeah. That's how I like to do it. That was horrible. Yeah, you can go. Doggy's in the way, you know, no problem. Yeah, it's not my problem, you little colorblind bastard. Get out the way.
And the video's in black and white. Miles, go!
Oh, you always want to be outside, man. Now you're trying to come in. I mean, you always want Give me it.
God dang it!
Go.
RIP country. There's only one black guy in IP country.
Fuck you. Get out the way, man. Doggy. Doggy. Dog is not afraid.
All they give a fuck is what I memorized. I'm gonna have to teach myself.
Man, you're gonna get killed.
That's mainly the whole video.
Can't you motherfuckers see that they trying to dumb us down? Don't
Player pop show.
President is for sale. He don't give a fuck about it. Nigga, just an oil well. He sell crack, go to jail. Hustle rap, go to hell.
Pop show the late
Sell my soul if I wanna go to Yale. Go kiss Oprah's ass if you wanna be Yale. I'd rather have
Good
my
one,
ass
Jacob.
kissed up in
The board's like really
You
skinny,
can
so
go
it's
be a pimp. You can go
Oh.
be a hoe, but you don't get paid off what you know. If you don't know shit, then you can't work for me.
Pop shove it late flip. Hey, you broke my backyard. There's a crack in it.
Look what he has done.
Another Pope David late flip. Let's see this nigga nose bonk.
Fucking nose bonk with sketchy ass man. Let's see if I can get this go. Gobble. Let's move this out of the way real quick. I fucking really hit it. almost broke my pelvis.
Nose bonkle.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Woo! Oh god.
Well, he's done for today.
I'm a little hurt. I got a Jones's fracture in my foot. You know, that shit hurts.